Today in this video, I will show you how to create multiple artboard in one document and save a specific page in Illustrator. So first click on the file from the menu bar. Then click on new. From here, select any page as you need. Enter the document name. Select INC from the point in the document. Now put the number of artboard you want to take. I will take 12 artboard here. Click on Create button. You can see that 12 artboard have been created in this document. I will write a different number on each artboard. Now we will save only the number 7 artboard separately. Click on the file from the menu bar. Then click on Save As. From Save As type, select Illustrator EPS. Click on Use Artboard. Click on the range. Now click on the artboard whose number you want to know. This is artboard number 1. This is artboard number 2. And this is artboard number 4. In this way, you can know the number of all artboard. Now we go back to the Save As dialog box. So I will save artboard number 7. So I am typing 7 here. Click the OK button. You can see that artboard number 7 has been saved separately. Thanks for watching the video.